Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your PayPal account on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now, to log into your PayPal account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in paypal.com and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be redirected to the home page of PayPal over here, and over here you can see the login button at the top right corner of the screen where my mouse is hovering currently. Click on the login button and you'll be over here where you can see you'll be required to enter your email address over here. And after entering your email address, or either if you have forgotten your email address, you can click on the forget an email address to go through the procedure of retrieving your PayPal mail. And after entering your PayPal email address, click on the next button over here, and you'll be required to enter your password over here, whichever may be. And after entering your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your PayPal account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to log into your PayPal account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.